Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to this dance tutorial. So guys, this is a Christian sounds trending on the internet, trending right now, guys. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges. If you are watching, if you're a dancer or you're a beginner dancer, you don't want to learn this tutorial, you guys can watch my videos and you see what I'm doing over here. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and let's dive right into my tutorial. Oh man, you guys, the first step to do this tutorial is Jehovah, cuckoo, I'm away. Come on now, you jump, you hit, you mash the invisible wall there, like this. Listen, guys. Listen, this step, so it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, let's go. 1, 2. So you are following the beat, guys. 3 beats, so it's as you mash, bang. 1, 2, 3. Listen, guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Listen, guys. So what you did, 1, 2, 3. Next to do is you go forward like this, you drop your leg, go back, 1, 2, and you kick again. So let's go. It's something like this. Boom, 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 boom. Forward, go back, 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, 3. Let's go slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. I think, guys, let me do this fast one so I can see the challenge. 1, 2, 3, go, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll make it up of this step, guys. Don't mind me. I saw one flying. Let's go. When we start, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Bang. 1, 2, 3. For that step, guys, once you count your 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop down like a lifeless upward body, but voila, guys. So just act like there's no bones in this body. So just let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 5. Stop. Don't mind me turning around, guys. I'm just observing the area. You have to be observant. You don't have to go shoot my neck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Forward. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, 3. So, I think, guys, once you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, drop. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop. 1, 2, 3. So the other step next to do is to carry your left leg back. Back, forward, then kick. Drop. So it's back, drop, forward, drop. And you 1, 2, 3. Let's go and start. I think that so don't forget to is back, drop, kick, drop. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Kick, bang. 1, 2, 3. Drop. 1, 2, 3. Jump, kick. 1, 2, 3. I think guys is you go back, you drop back. 1, 2, 3. I'm probably making the sound with my legs so you guys can get the beat. Yeah, let's go. So after you drop, after you 1, 2, 3, and you just do this, we'll do some piano dance move. Kick to the right, to the left. So it's to the right, down. Kick to the right, down. Oh, I'm a cuckoo, what am I? Jehovah, cuckoo, what am I? Whoa, whoa. Dum, 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 dum. So guys, once you back, 1, 2, 3. Once you kick like this, you hit like this. You do the wall like this, and you reverse 1, 2, 3. Reverse. In case you are watching up to this level, channel, kindly like this video. Subscribe for me, guys. Subscribe for me. Drop a comment, several dance forms to do. Now that's for you guys. So you reverse, guys. Then continue any which other step you like to do. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. Jehovah, cuckoo, when Jehovah, cuckoo, when whoa, whoa, whoa. Go, So only you have to freestyle yourself, guys. Only you have to freestyle. In case you are loving this video, like this video, comment what you think about this video, whatever you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this channel, subscribe guys, subscribe to this channel. I'll do more tutorials, more dance just coming up in this channel till the end of this year and to forever for you guys to dance. So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. I'm not going to say again. Don't forget to watch the videos while here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.